Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'll be doing a bit of a natural hair wash and go experiment. So if you guys want to see the results of my experiment, please go ahead and stay tuned. So before I get into the video, I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Also give this video a like, and please remember to check out the previous video on my channel and my channel playlist. So I want you guys to leave some kind of hairstyling emoji in the comments to let me know that you're watching. Also, I do have another channel called JAMAICAN that I'd love for you guys to check out. So today, the natural hair wash and go experiment that I'll be doing is I am actually going to be trying to use conditioner, my favorite conditioner, the AUSSIE Miracle Moist Conditioner, to actually do a wash and go. Now you guys know that most of the natural hairstyling videos are tutorial like videos that I do over here. Like I try to make them as easy and efficient as possible because I'm the type of person where I do not have all day to spend on my natural hair. I do have a lot of natural hair, and also I don't have a whole heap of money just to keep buying loads and loads and loads of products. So you're not necessarily going to be seeing me doing like a whole heap of product reviews just because I rather use what I have and then buy something new or wait till it's finished to repurchase, you know what I mean? So today I'm going to be using this particular conditioner because it literally has been a staple in my natural hair routine for like years now, probably since the beginning from I started my natural hair journey. I believe that this conditioner was actually in that routine, like it has been a fave like forever. So I'm really confident that this will actually probably do the job. I recently ran out of my curling cream that I always use, and that's the Cream of Nature one. I love that product. That product gives me such good moisture and longevity in my wash and goes. But I was like, well, if I can't find it, because sometimes, honestly, sometimes it is really hard to find though. And so I didn't want to be in a position where, okay, I can't find the product, but I still want my wash and go to come out good. So I usually have this conditioner on hand like all the time. So this is something that I think I can incorporate if it works in those times when I need to re-up on my products, or I just can't find the products that really work for me. So I'm hoping that it actually really does work. Now I did wash my hair 2 days ago. I did have them in the 4 twists as I've been doing because we in the house, we board in the house, and we're in the house board. So I did have them in my 4 twists, but I had to pull them out because, you know, meetings, Zoom calls, Google Meets, video calls, all these things. So I did have to pull them out, and I just have it in like a little bun here with my handy dandy head band also. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like out of the 4 twists. It is pretty defined, I would say. I'm actually surprised that this is the kind of definition that I get with literally 4 twists alone, and twists that have not even been done like really tightly. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like before. I forgot to mention that in conjunction with the conditioner, I will be using my favorite gel, which is the Eco Style gel in the crystal. This is my favorite one. If you guys watch my favorites, you guys know that already. And I do have a little bottle here with some water and a little leftover leave-in conditioner from this brand that I did not like, so I'm trying to finish it out. And I do have my section clips as usual. So I'm gonna start from the back. It's a pity that I still don't have my hair in the 4 sections because it would make it a lot easier in terms of sectioning my hair. But you know, we move along. I'm not going to be doing like super small sections or anything like that, and I'm not certain if I will be using a lot of water because I don't want it to get too soggy, you know, that way where if your hair is like super wet, the conditioner kind of gets like really soggy. I don't know if that makes sense, you guys, but I'm going to use the water sparingly, I guess, you know, to see how I feel about it. I'm going to start by spraying it down a little bit. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Kind of run my fingers through it also just to kind of detangle because, as I said, it has been out of the twist for a little while. So you know, when your hair is out of like twists or whatever, it does tend to get tangled. I did also put a leave-in in there when I twisted it up after wash day. So I'm gonna start off with this much. Hopefully you guys can see that, this much on my hair. And I mean, to be honest guys, I don't know if people do this all the time. I'm not very sure if this is something that people do like all the time, but I just had a thought and I'm like, this particular conditioner really does give me a lot of good moisture. It gives me a lot of good slip. So you know, but I just want to try and see if it's gonna work, if it's gonna define my curls, and if I can get like real good longevity out of it. So I'm just using my hands to work the product in. I mean, it does look defined, and of course I am gonna use a gel because I need to use gel on my hair so that it can last long. So I'm gonna just take some of the gel, this much to start, and just put over the hair. And of course, when I do start my hair on hair that's already been dried, it does not take very long to dry. This is how the first section is looking. Yeah, this is how the first section is looking. So let's continue. I probably will speed up because you guys know that I really just rake the product through my hair and move right along. So I'll probably speed up this section and then come back when it is completely finished. So I've done all of my hair. Honestly, I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out because I realized that there is some clumping in my product, in the gel and the conditioner. There is some clumping. You can probably see on my shirt that there are some dots, but hopefully that dries. Hopefully it kind of works itself out in the drying process. So I'm actually going to just blow dry this and stretch it and come back and show you the final results because this is supposed to be quick and easy. So I'm gonna take 3 days for air dry. So I'm just gonna blow dry it and then come back and show you the final results. So I'm back. I blow dried my hair and I stretched it, and these are the final results. My final thoughts on this are, it definitely can work. My hair feels really soft. It didn't take me any time to do this, honestly, because you know I just rake my product through my hair. And honestly, this is something I can do if, like, you know, I feel like I'm running low on my product, because my hair, it basically feels like how it would feel when I do like my foolproof wash and go. And if you haven't seen that, I will leave that in the cards for you guys to check out and in the description box also. So I think I like it. The white chunks or like blotches that I was seeing on my hair, they have actually gone away during the drying process, so I'm happy about that. So that's a good sign. And trust me, this is a huge bottle. Like, honestly, if I was somebody who believed in conditioners as stylers like that, you know, I would definitely just buy this and have this be my styler. But because the instructions on conditioners are for you to wash them out, I kind of just want to stick with that. So this is not something that I'll be doing all the time, but it definitely can carry me through. If my hair look dry and I don't want to wash it yet, I can literally use the conditioner and the gel and just spruce it up without having to dip into like my more expensive products like my curling creams and stuff like that. So I mean, I definitely see where this kind of style, this kind of use of a conditioner to do a wash and go, you know, it can be very useful. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have a favorite like rinse out conditioner that you guys like and you would like to try it as a wash and go. Let me know if this is something that you guys do all the time and I'm just late to the party. Let me know. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to turn on your notification bells so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Also remember to give this video a huge like if you enjoyed it. Remember to comment some kind of hair emoji in the comments to let me know that you've been rocking with me. Remember to check out the previous videos on my channel and my channel playlist and my other channel called Yadmens. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.